Hello dear fans. How the Earth came into being. The Earth was formed about 4.5 billion years ago. During its existence, it went through many stages of development, turned from a red-hot ball into the only planet known to mankind inhabited by living organisms. Instructions. Step 1. The emergence of the Earth is directly related to the formation of the solar system. Of course, all theories about the origin of the Earth are only hypotheses that are constantly revised based on new data. At the moment, the main hypothesis is considered to be the formation of the planets of the solar system, including the Earth, from a gas and dust cloud rotating around the Sun. Step 2. About 4.6 billion years ago, thanks to gravitational collapse, the Sun appeared from part of the interstellar dust cloud, which became the center of the new planetary system. A disk of the substance of a gas dust cloud has formed around the Sun. This disk revolved around the Sun at high speed, the particles in it constantly interacted, repelled and combined, seals were created in the disk, thus, it gradually disintegrated into separate parts, the so-called planetesimals. Step 3. The largest planetesimals began to attract other clumps of matter and condensed under the influence of gravitational forces. The solar system during its formation had a different appearance from the present one. It included about 100 protoplanets, but the system was much smaller in size than it is now. Protoplanets collided, forming the planets we now know, including the Earth. At the same time, satellites of the planets, for example, the Moon, were formed. Step 4. Initially, the Earth had a very high temperature, that is, the substance on it was in a molten state and stirred vigorously. Denser metals went down, forming a metal core, silicates rose up, forming a mantle. The metal core made it possible for the planet to have a magnetic field. Step 5. Gradually, the planet cooled, volcanic activity decreased, and a large amount of water accumulated in the atmosphere. The cooling of the planet led to the formation of the Earth's crust. Approximately 3.8 billion years ago, the first living organisms appeared on Earth. The biosphere was formed, which radically influenced the further development of the planet. Thanks for watching.